Hello YouTube, Fix Pick and Lock. Got a parcel come. This is being put on there on Friday, but I've got it a couple of days before, so just to let you know. It's a parcel from Peter Platten. He generously sent me some stuff, so I'm going to show you what I got. I've took the note out. So I'll take it all out of the box and it'll give me a bit of room. Right. Let's start with the wood. He's sent me some nice American walnut, some maple and some oak, so that's going to make some picks or some handles for the picks. Peter, really appreciate this is going to help me out a lot. I've got some wood coming, but it's liners out of a drawer, so this is going to be far superior to that. I mean, that's going to make quite a few pick handles, so thanks for that. There's some locks. Now these are going to get me out of a bind. As I said before, I was struggling for content because I didn't have no locks. I'm in a position at the moment where I just can't go out and keep buying locks. It's just not feasible. So Peter has donated some locks to me, and there's a nice few selection of ISEO. That's a nice one. Can't remember, that's it, there you go. Just some nice average bitting on them, but if I do a locker a week and show them on a Friday, it's going to keep me going for a while. Obviously there'll be other stuff in between. Oh, that is a nice union, that. That's going to go in my collection, that one, I think. There's a little no name, no key, or two no names. Yep. So no, there's 4 weeks there. Abus 65, very nice. A Citadel 5 pin. Yeah, so I'm gonna get into making some picks, hence the wood over here. Nice little yell. That's another no name, and the ISEO. These are bloody nice locks, these are. And I've got a hole, looks like it's fairly new, this one. ERA. That's a nice one. Yeah, great. Can make 2 out of that one. So there you go. This is all from Peter Platten. He's really helped me out here. Thanks Peter, mate, you're a diamond, you saved my life. Thanks for all the people who did comment on my video when I wasn't feeling too great. I was feeling really bad, but ended up at the doctor's. But I'm alright, I'm on improvement. So it's just a quickie. Thanks for everyone that's subscribed to me. I've lost a few, but there you go. Shit happens, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's really appreciated. If it helps me keep going as well. Hit the like button. Pass it on to your friends, and thanks for watching.